Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar, and today's date is 26 October 2021, and today's video topic is exception handling. So let's discuss about Exception handling. So in exception handling is one of the most important features of a Java of a Java programming language that allows us to handle the runtime errors caused by exceptions. So what is exception? We know about exception, and an exception is a unwanted event that interrupt the normal flow of the program. When an exception occurs, a program execution when an exception occurs, program execution gets terminated in such causes. We get some system generator error message. The good thing about exception is that uh, they can be handled in Java by handling the exceptions, and we can provide a meaningful message to the user about the issues rather than the system generated messages, so which may not be understandable to a user. So advantages of exception handling. Exception handling ensure that the follows of a programming program doesn't break when an exception occurs. For example, if a program has a bunch of statements and exceptions occurs midway after execution, uh, executing certain statement, then the statement after the exception will not execute and the program will terminate. By handling, we make sure that all the statements execute and the flow of program that doesn't break. So difference between error and exceptions. So error indicates, first one is the error. Error indicates that that's the something serve enough has gone wrong. The application should crash rather than try to handle the error. And difference of exceptions are events that occurs in the code. A programmer can handle such conditions and take necessary corrective actions. So that's our difference between exceptions and error. So next one is a check exception and uncheck exception. So there are two type of exception, check and uncheck. These are the very important types in exception handling. So first one is a check exceptions. All exceptions other than runtime exception are known as a check exception, as the compiler checks them during completion to see rather the program has handled them or not. If the exceptions are not handled or declared in a program, you will get a compile error. For example, SQL exception, IO exception, class not found exception, etc. So second one is a uncheck exception. In an uncheck exception, runtime exception are also known as a uncheck exception. These are exceptions are not checked at compile time, so compiler does not check rather the program has handled them or not, but it's the responsibility of a programmer to handle these exceptions and provide a safe exit. For example, arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, array index out of bound exception. So these are the types of exceptions. uh, that's all about exception handling. Thank you.